I have bike and them something. I now post some bike things. Alright. This is bike things now. So me there out of the friggin' mechanic and him down there. If you know that gate, you know it's probably there. As a bike person. See it? This is my baby. Yes. The only girl that's faithful. This is something crack, yes, something blood clot. That's it. Crack. Fuck that shit. You see them outside away from sunny. Kirk not even days to fly the gate, some kind of sitting under a tree. Bike the dog and cool off. This is really annoying. But things need to change from the two little things need to change from the bike and that can. Let me tell you. It's too random madman a pass. So them have me sit down out a gate and madman a pass and a trouble me. No, bike hot man, bike hot. So yeah. It's a cool long, you see it?
And them thing there.
You wanna go out and go now, man? So this is how I change on tensioner, timing chain tensioner. So the manual one, that's one away, but you don't know. So the tank come off. See another Fireblade there. Tank come off. The thing for the work. So you have a Fireblade over this way. The man him have it as figure MT10, you don't know about that now fixing it, that now do nothing. See how easy or hard this is to put in still. Alright, this is my bike. This is a Honda Fireblade. Whichever CC you might think it is, it's a Honda Fireblade. Google it. You see it? Honda Fireblade. You see it? It's a Fireblade over there, so it hurt my soul because I didn't want to buy it. Look at them a bit here, so. You see it? Old bike, new bike, every bike. You see it? One rep on the bike, got the tension on it nice. Let me say it's a common Honda problem, so oh, fuck it there. See tensioner there, where there? Timing thing, tensioner. Let it change. The boss say, if don't open the gate for you, if open the gate for yourself because you have a key and you have to walkless. With shit truck. One to it. You hear that? You hear that, Sonny? Rascal, but this is going out there. Sonny, you hear that? Baba, me there, sir. Me there, video of my bike a fix. And all I want out here stress me out.
Me say, Sonny, that man, because he pack up into for now move, and after that, or somebody in there.
That's what I tell Curve, This is an old tensioner. This is a little hole there. This is the aisle go through and push out this. Or some shit like that. I don't know. You see me there try to push it down with my hand, but it not work. The fuck all this? Oh, gasket. So this is a new one I can put in. Don't know.
Do with money where money concern.
Well, seeing I'm done there, I might as well change oil because I don't think oil's supposed to be that color. So this is it right now. Advanced cleaning technology. And I want filter. You see it. This is the Stunt bike. This is, I don't know how to pronounce his name because I don't want to say gay, but him ride on bike back. And this named War Dog. I don't know. Often. This is the 9. I don't know what kind of freaky symbol that, but it's the 9. Alright. I'll go to real bike now. Hold on. Him ride the freaky bike with the freaky something on the front. I'm from a vlog. It's like a freaky bike. This is a motorcycle. This motorcycle needs no introduction.
As you can see the sign, says it all.
No introduction. Alright, I eat that. Enjoy yourself.